My name is HARSHA. I have completed my Bachelor's of Agriculture in 2024 with 76%. After completion of my bachelor's course, I have joined Qspiders in January 2025 and I have joined as a test engineer. For this course, I have learned about SQL, manual testing, Core Java and Selenium. During this 1 year period, I have learned different type of technologies and knowledge regarding manual and automation testing. The course teachers helped me more regarding the knowledge and mock interviews. And my course teachers are Hasni ma'am, Praveen sir, Amrish sir and Hariharan sir. They helped me a lot regarding the manual and automation and interviews. During interviews, they taught me different type of questions which are asked in companies, like main difference between technologies and what are the uses of technologies we presently have.